What's up, everybody? BG here. I'm gonna show you a little something on this Civic of mine. When I bought it, I got full True Heart air ride. I got the Vera wireless controller with the 3S airlift manifold. Well, 3S app sucks. Absolutely sucks. So I had the 3P, or not 3P, but the Vera wireless controllers. And that's how I would air up, air down when I was outside of the car, because I've got switches in the car. Well, not long ago, I lost my controller. There's a little dinky controller, kind of like this. Little, small clip on it. And I contacted Vera about getting a new controller. For one controller like this, simple 4-button controller, slide lid, they wanted almost $50. For the controller and shipping. I got on Amazon. I looked up the same kind of controllers. I got this controller. I got 2 of these. And another power box for under $20. These right here have a better hook system on the bottom. And also this box right here is the exact same box that the Vera wireless controller uses. So you get this set up, all you got to do is take your box apart, literally take the cover off. There's a button right there. You'll hold that button down till the light is solid. I believe it's a solid, or it's flashing, and then you hit the buttons A, B, C, D on your controller to program it, and that's all it takes. So I spent $15. I got 2 controllers and another box that I can wire up on my wife's truck, B's truck if I wanted to, but he's got the better airless setup. On that truck, any truck that I would put air ride or anything else on, and you don't have to wire this up specifically for air ride. You can wire it up for door popper or whatever you want. But that was $15 compared to almost $50 for one little switch. So if you lose your controller like I did because it finally broke and came off, there's ways around it. Just got to be resourceful and look up what you need and everything like that. Try to find it, because this isn't but like a little 433 megahertz, I think. Here's the info right here. 433 megahertz DC 12 volt 4-channel remote. That's all you got to do. There's hundreds of them online. Anyway, just figured I'd share that little bit of info with y'all. Y'all have a good one.